Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to check print history in computer. To start, enter printer in the search box. Open printers and scanners. There, click on the desired printer. Now click on the option Printer Properties. In this window, go to the tab Advanced. You must activate the box Keep Printed Documents. Apply this change. After this, click on Open Print Queue. From the field Printers, you can choose the desired printer. Then click on the three dots and click on About this app. You will be able to see details of the print queue. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.